Hey guys, it's Scott from Canadian Real Estate Network. Today I want to chat with you on how to improve your credit score quickly. So there's many ways to do this, and the best and most effective ways we outline in this video. So the number one thing that you can do is to check your credit report regularly and make sure there's nothing on there that's incorrect. So sometimes it happens. Lenders do make mistakes and they'll report something to the wrong person's credit bureau. So by checking this regularly, you'll see if that has happened to you, and if it has, you can dispute those items and get them taken off your credit report. So once they're off, your score will instantly boost. So I've had lots of clients do this and be successful with this tip, and it really does help. The second thing is to pay your bills on time. Now that sounds common sense and we all should be doing it, but we get busy, sometimes we forget. So with the credit cards and all loan facilities, you can actually set up payments that come out automatic from your bank account with no input from you. So this way you're never missing the payment, and it only pays the minimum. So if you want to pay extra, you can, but it only takes the minimum, so you're never late. So we would encourage all of our investors to do that. The next thing is credit utilization. So this is a major thing that not many people talk about, but you want your credit usage to be 50% to 75% of your total limit or below. So if your credit card was $1,000, you want to owe $500 to $750 maximum. Anything more than that, and you'll get a negative score per month because your utilization is high, and you don't want that. So to improve your utilization, you either have to pay down the debt or you can increase your credit limit. Now, increasing your credit limit is a double-edged sword. It will do the trick, it will improve your credit score, but it may also hurt it because it counts as a credit check. So if you are going to do that, don't do it too much. Just do it here or there, just to increase your limits to lower your utilization, and that's it. Don't keep checking just to keep doing. Another great tip is to keep your cards that you're not using, keep them open. Put them in a safe, put them away so no one's going to steal them or use them. But don't close them, because each month that they're open, they're reporting to the credit agencies that you've not had a late payment. So because you're getting no late in January, no late in February, March, and so on and so forth, your score goes up. So that's what you want. The last thing that I haven't really found anywhere, but I know from being a lender, is that bank credit card on your credit report is better than a non-bank credit card. So many of the non-bank credit cards, they'll lend to anybody. Anybody can get a credit card. And the lenders, they know that. So if a client comes in for a pre-approval and that's all they have is non-bank credit, they're probably not going to move forward with the application, even if you've not had a late payment in 2 or 3 years. It sounds crazy, but it's true. However, if that 2 and 3 year credit history was all bank credit card or bank lending, they love that because they know they're tough with their lending. So the fact that it's bank lending, it's rated higher, and it will help to improve your likelihood of getting approved for whatever lending you are. So that may or may not boost your credit score, but it definitely helps in qualifying for things is by having the bank credit card. So I hope that helped. Please like and share this video. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel. We're going to put videos like this all the time. The very next video is how to improve your credit score if you filed for bankruptcy or consumer proposal. So we'll put that up very shortly here. Thanks so much for watching in, and have a great day.